Hello, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Fake references are quietly damaging academic integrity, and many researchers don't even realize it's happening. In research, every citation must be genuine, verifiable, and traceable. Your academic credibility is built on trustworthy sources, and one false reference can put your reputation at risk. That's where Citely AI comes in. It's an intelligent citation verification tool designed to instantly check references, identify fabricated citations, and track down original sources, helping your research remain reliable and authentic every time. Let's explore how this powerful AI tool works. To get started, open your web browser and search for Citely AI. Click the official website from the search results or use the direct link provided in the video description to access it instantly. Citely AI is built specifically for researchers who want accurate and credible sources without wasting hours searching manually. It verifies citations, flags suspicious references, and connects you to original academic papers. The platform works alongside trusted scholarly databases such as PubMed, Crossref, OpenAlex, and several others. Once on the site, sign in to your account. New users can register quickly using a Google login. After signing in, you'll notice a clean and easy-to-navigate dashboard. Citely AI offers two core functions: source discovery and reference verification. Let's go through them one by one. First, we'll look at the Find Sources feature. Although Citely provides sample text, I'll use my own example, a 500-word draft discussing impact of social media on youth. This draft contains in-text citations along with a reference list. Normally, locating relevant academic sources for a specific paragraph can take hours. Citely AI simplifies this process dramatically. All you need to do is copy the paragraph you want sources for and paste it into the input box. Press Enter, and Citely AI takes over. Behind the scenes, the system follows 4 structured steps. It searches academic databases, cross-checks citation data, tracks publication histories, and confirms authenticity. Within moments, you'll receive a list of relevant scholarly articles. In this case, Citely AI suggests 5 research papers that support the selected paragraph. Each result displays the paper's title, author details, DOI, and an expandable abstract explaining how the study relates to your content. For example, one recommended paper focuses on student mental health is in crisis. Here's how to help. Another explores global, regional, and national burden of mental disorders among adolescents and young adults, 1990 to 2021. A systematic analysis for the Global Burden of Disease Study 2021. Each source includes enough information to help you judge its relevance quickly. One standout feature is the Access button. By clicking it, you're taken directly to the official publisher's page, where you can read or download the full article, often at no cost. Once you've chosen a suitable source, simply add the author's name and publication year to your in-text citation. Then copy the complete reference in your preferred citation format, APA in this example, and paste it into your reference list. This feature ensures your arguments are supported by legitimate and credible research. Next, let's move on to the Verify References feature. Click on the Verification option to open the tool. Here, you paste your entire reference list into the provided field and submit it for analysis. Citely AI breaks down each reference individually and begins the verification process. After reviewing them, press Enter again to proceed. This action uses 1 verification credit. The system evaluates each reference using 4 checks: content structure analysis, AI-based detection methods, writing style comparison, and an overall authenticity assessment. For verified references, you'll see perfect similarity scores for titles, authors, and publication dates, confirming they are legitimate studies. Each verified result also includes full bibliographic details and a direct link to the original paper. If a reference fails verification, Citely AI clearly highlights the issue. For example, a reference may match the title and year but list incorrect authors, signaling a potential problem. You can follow the provided link to investigate the source manually and determine whether it's inaccurate or fabricated. In this demonstration, most references pass successfully, while one shows inconsistencies. Manually checking these details would take significant time, but Citely AI completes the process in seconds. By offering both source discovery and reference verification, Citely AI becomes an essential tool for students, researchers, and academics who value accuracy and credibility. It helps ensure your work remains authentic, trustworthy, and professionally sound. Try Citely AI using the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Like, share, and subscribe for more academic research videos.